What is your name?
My name is Cora.
What is your name?
My name is Cora.
Where are you from?
I am from United States.
Where are you from?
I am from United States.
What is your job?
I work as a jeweler.
What is your job?
I work as a jeweler.
Do you enjoy your job?
I enjoy my work daily.
Do you enjoy your job?
I enjoy my work daily.
When do you wake up?
I wake before 7 daily.
When do you wake up?
I wake before 7 daily.
Why wake up early?
I prefer quiet mornings.
Why wake up early?
I prefer quiet mornings.
What do you drink first?
I drink warm lemon water.
What do you drink first?
I drink warm lemon water.
Do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast every morning.
Do you eat breakfast?
I eat breakfast every morning.
What do you eat?
I eat fruit and toast.
What do you eat?
I eat fruit and toast.
Do you cook often?
I cook meals every day.
Do you cook often?
I cook meals every day.
What food tastes delicious?
I think pasta tastes delicious.
What food tastes delicious?
I think pasta tastes delicious.
Do you enjoy baking?
I enjoy baking on weekends.
Do you enjoy baking?
I enjoy baking on weekends.
What dessert do you like?
I like strawberry cupcakes most.
What dessert do you like?
I like strawberry cupcakes most.
Do you drink coffee?
I drink coffee every morning.
Do you drink coffee?
I drink coffee every morning.
Do you like tea?
I enjoy green tea often.
Do you like tea?
I enjoy green tea often.
Do you visit cafes?
I visit cafes every week.
Do you visit cafes?
I visit cafes every week.
Why visit cafes often?
I enjoy peaceful environments there.
Why visit cafes often?
I enjoy peaceful environments there.
Do you read books?
I read books every evening.
Do you read books?
I read books every evening.
What books interest you?
I enjoy mystery books most.
What books interest you?
I enjoy mystery books most.
Do you enjoy writing?
I enjoy writing short stories.
Do you enjoy writing?
I enjoy writing short stories.
Do journals help you?
They help organize thoughts.
Do journals help you?
They help organize thoughts.
Do you study English?
I study English every day.
Do you study English?
I study English every day.
Why learn English?
I want global opportunities.
Why learn English?
I want global opportunities.
Do podcasts help learning?
They improve listening skills.
Do podcasts help learning?
They improve listening skills.
Do subtitles help understanding?
They improve understanding greatly.
Do subtitles help understanding?
They improve understanding greatly.
Do apps help practice?
They support daily practice.
Do apps help practice?
They support daily practice.
Do you repeat sentences?
I repeat sentences frequently.
Do you repeat sentences?
I repeat sentences frequently.
Do mistakes help learning?
They improve learning speed.
Do mistakes help learning?
They improve learning speed.
Do conversations feel easier?
They feel easier now.
Do conversations feel easier?
They feel easier now.
Do you enjoy music?
I enjoy music every day.
Do you enjoy music?
I enjoy music every day.
What music do you like?
I like acoustic music.
What music do you like?
I like acoustic music.
Do you sing often?
I sing during weekends.
Do you sing often?
I sing during weekends.
Do concerts excite you?
They feel very exciting.
Do concerts excite you?
They feel very exciting.
Do you watch movies?
I watch movies weekly.
Do you watch movies?
I watch movies weekly.
What movies interest you?
I enjoy adventure movies.
What movies interest you?
I enjoy adventure movies.
Do documentaries teach lessons?
They teach valuable lessons.
Do documentaries teach lessons?
They teach valuable lessons.
Do you watch series?
I watch series sometimes.
Do you watch series?
I watch series sometimes.
Do you enjoy nature?
I enjoy nature greatly.
Do you enjoy nature?
I enjoy nature greatly.
Do parks relax you?
They reduce stress greatly.
Do parks relax you?
They reduce stress greatly.
Do forests feel peaceful?
They feel incredibly peaceful.
Do forests feel peaceful?
They feel incredibly peaceful.
Do rivers look beautiful?
They look very beautiful.
Do rivers look beautiful?
They look very beautiful.
Do rainy days relax you?
They sound very calming.
Do rainy days relax you?
They sound very calming.
Does sunshine improve moods?
It improves moods greatly.
Does sunshine improve moods?
It improves moods greatly.
Which season feels best?
I think spring feels best.
Which season feels best?
I think spring feels best.
Do you enjoy winter?
I enjoy winter sometimes.
Do you enjoy winter?
I enjoy winter sometimes.
Do you travel often?
I travel several times yearly.
Do you travel often?
I travel several times yearly.
Do airplanes excite you?
They feel very exciting.
Do airplanes excite you?
They feel very exciting.
Do airports feel stressful?
They feel stressful sometimes.
Do airports feel stressful?
They feel stressful sometimes.
Do trains feel relaxing?
They feel very relaxing.
Do trains feel relaxing?
They feel very relaxing.
Do you take photos?
I take photos frequently.
Do you take photos?
I take photos frequently.
What inspires your photos?
I photograph city streets.
What inspires your photos?
I photograph city streets.
Do sunsets look beautiful?
They look absolutely beautiful.
Do sunsets look beautiful?
They look absolutely beautiful.
Do stars fascinate you?
They fascinate me deeply.
Do stars fascinate you?
They fascinate me deeply.
Do moonlit nights inspire you?
They inspire creative thoughts.
Do moonlit nights inspire you?
They inspire creative thoughts.
Do you use social media?
I use social media daily.
Do you use social media?
I use social media daily.
Which app do you prefer?
I prefer Pinterest mostly.
Which app do you prefer?
I prefer Pinterest mostly.
Do followers support you?
They support my work.
Do followers support you?
They support my work.
Do positive comments motivate you?
They motivate me greatly.
Do positive comments motivate you?
They motivate me greatly.
Do compliments improve confidence?
They improve confidence greatly.
Do compliments improve confidence?
They improve confidence greatly.
Do you smile often?
I smile quite often.
Do you smile often?
I smile quite often.
Do friendships feel valuable?
They feel extremely valuable.
Do friendships feel valuable?
They feel extremely valuable.
Do supportive friends matter?
They matter very much.
Do supportive friends matter?
They matter very much.
Do you call family?
I call family weekly.
Do you call family?
I call family weekly.
Do you miss home?
I miss home sometimes.
Do you miss home?
I miss home sometimes.
Do mornings improve focus?
They improve focus greatly.
Do mornings improve focus?
They improve focus greatly.
Do routines help productivity?
Hey, improve productivity greatly.
Do routines help productivity?
Hey, improve productivity greatly.
Do planners help organization?
They help organization greatly.
Do planners help organization?
They help organization greatly.
Do goals inspire action?
They inspire meaningful action.
Do goals inspire action?
They inspire meaningful action.
Do you write goals?
I write monthly goals.
Do you write goals?
I write monthly goals.
Do habits affect success?
They affect success greatly.
Do habits affect success?
They affect success greatly.
Do you stay disciplined?
I stay disciplined daily.
Do you stay disciplined?
I stay disciplined daily.
Do challenges improve growth?
They improve personal growth.
Do challenges improve growth?
They improve personal growth.
Do you fear failure?
I view failure positively.
Do you fear failure?
I view failure positively.
Do dreams require effort?
Hey, require consistent effort.
Do dreams require effort?
Hey, require consistent effort.
Do achievements feel rewarding?
They feel extremely rewarding.
Do achievements feel rewarding?
They feel extremely rewarding.
Do small improvements matter?
They matter very much.
Do small improvements matter?
They matter very much.
Do you enjoy progress?
I enjoy seeing progress.
Do you enjoy progress?
I enjoy seeing progress.
Do you trust yourself?
I trust myself completely.
Do you trust yourself?
I trust myself completely.
Do you stay optimistic?
I stay optimistic daily.
Do you stay optimistic?
I stay optimistic daily.
Do peaceful places calm you?
They calm me greatly.
Do peaceful places calm you?
They calm me greatly.
Do libraries interest you?
They feel very peaceful.
Do libraries interest you?
They feel very peaceful.
Do museums interest you?
They teach cultural history.
Do museums interest you?
They teach cultural history.
Do cultures fascinate you?
They fascinate me deeply.
Do cultures fascinate you?
They fascinate me deeply.
Do languages connect people?
Hey, connect people globally.
Do languages connect people?
Hey, connect people globally.
Do communication skills matter?
They matter very much.
Do communication skills matter?
They matter very much.
Do presentations feel difficult?
They feel difficult sometimes.
Do presentations feel difficult?
They feel difficult sometimes.
Do speaking exercises help?
They improve fluency greatly.
Do speaking exercises help?
They improve fluency greatly.
Do native speakers inspire you?
They inspire improvement greatly.
Do native speakers inspire you?
They inspire improvement greatly.
Do accents sound interesting?
They sound very interesting.
Do accents sound interesting?
They sound very interesting.
Do questions improve communication?
They improve communication skills.
Do questions improve communication?
They improve communication skills.
Do answers improve vocabulary?
They improve vocabulary knowledge.
Do answers improve vocabulary?
They improve vocabulary knowledge.
Do movies improve listening?
They improve listening skills.
Do movies improve listening?
They improve listening skills.